Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 3, more on Samll Basic. In our previous video, we did learn about control structure. In conditional control structure, we did learn about if and if then else statement. Today we are going to learn about if else if ladder. It is used to check multiple conditions in a program. This can be executed included multiple else if statements. So here we can check multiple conditions. In an else if ladder statement inside else block is executed only when all the conditions comes before the it in the ladder are false, but at a time only one condition can be executed. So in else if ladder, else block executed when all the above conditions become false. Now let's understand with the help of syntax and example. So syntax, here we can check the syntax. If condition then statement 1. So here in example we have if age less than equal to 14, then so go to school. Then second is else if, then again we are checking for condition, and then so in example we have if else if age less than 21, go to college. Again else if, then on condition, so else if age less than 25, go to work, and else get married. Now let's learn go to statement. Go to statement transfer the program control from one statement to another. It leads to an unconditional transfer control. Let's understand go to statement with syntax and example. So syntax is go to and label. So here we having program a equal to 1 start a b equal to a plus a, we will print b and go to a. So the program will continuously goes on. Here the purpose of the label is destination point. Here when the compiler encounter the go to statement, the control is transferred start label to the setup the loop. To stop the output of program goes infinitive, means it is run continuously. So we have to press Ctrl plus push or break key to abort the program. Now let's learn about looping control structure. While programming, there comes a certain situation in which we need to repeat one or more statement a number of times. This can be done by using loop. Looping is a process of executing a block of statements again and again. For example, in tables, we are multiplying that number again and again, means 10 times. So let's understand the concept of loop with an example. You can taking a part in a relay race of 1600 meters. You are instructed about starting point. So you start from starting point and keep running the same track till the number of rounds completed. 1600 meters are not completed. A loop have starting conditions and also terminate condition. A major advantages of looping is they are reducing the size of program and number of instructions, and also save the memory space. Here we having two type of loop, for loop and while loop. For loop. The for loop is used when a group of statements to be executed for a specific number of time. It also reduces the number of instructions in a program. Let's understand with the help of example. So here we having syntax for, afterward we have to write the condition, control variable, then initial value to final value, means starting value to ending value. So here for our variable x equal to 10 to 20, and in next line we will print x our variable and 4. So here our program will print 10 to 20 number. Here the loop will start with an initial value and execute the statement within the for loop. The statement will be executed until we reach the final value. While loop. While loop repeats the instruction until the given condition is true. It repeats the instruction until the given condition is true. As the conditions become false, the loop terminates. Let's understand with the help of syntax and example. So here we have to write while, then we have to give conditions, and we have to write the statements, and we have to end with and while. So let's understand with the example. Here we have an example: a equal to 1 while a less than equal to 10, and then what we are printing a, and we have to increasing the value a equal to a plus 1, and then we are ending the loop. So what will happen? Once a become 1, then 2, it continues until the a become 10s. When a become 11s, the loop will terminate. Now let's learn about subroutines. Subroutine is a package of statement. It helps us to reduce the sum code in program. A subroutine can be written anywhere in a program. It is identified the name that followed by sub keyword, and it terminated by the and sub keyword. So let's understand with the help of example and syntax. So we have to write sub sub, then we have to give the name of the subroutine, then in between we have to write some code, and we have to end with and sub. So whatever the number of program code we are using, that we can write within that program. So here we have completed our chapter. Okay students, thank you. Bye bye.